All right, this tutorial is going to help with the last two pages of the Unit 10 review. First page is going to be all circle theorems, and then the last page will involve converting degrees to radians and vice versa, and then finding the area of the sector and arc length. All right, so number one, so whenever we have these problems, number 26, you need to first identify which one of these up here you're going to need to use. And then if by chance you cannot figure out something, at least go ahead and try to figure out what you can, and I'll show you what that means in just a minute. But for 26, and if you didn't have these filled in, so angle 1 up here is going to be, this angle up here is congruent, because none of my pencils are working. So angle 1 is congruent to this arc right here, okay? So that angle is congruent to that. So it's going to be the same thing here, okay? So this angle right there is going to be congruent to this arc right there. All right, so this question is asking for what this arc is. So if this angle is 85 degrees, then what is this arc going to be? That's what you're going to put right there, okay? All right, next, Km, okay? So this problem actually has a little more information in it that you need. It's just a matter of first knowing that there's 360 degrees in a circle, and I almost wish that there was something up here that may be like A, B, C right here that said that AC plus CBA is 360. Okay, so all the way around is 360. So right here, from here to here is 250. Okay, so from there to there is 250, and all the way around is 360. Okay, so what are you going to need to do with 360 and 250? So we need this part right here, because that's what it's asking, and that's 250. So what we need to do with 360 and 250 to get that answer right there. Okay, 28. So the way this works is, so right up here, angle 1 is going to be the average of these two arcs. So AD plus BC divided by 2 is angle 1. Okay, so 71 is also going to be congruent to that angle. So these two angles right there are going to be the average of this arc and this arc. So really this is going to be halfway between 54 and whatever this is. So one way you could do this is 17 numbers apart. So 54 or 71 plus 54, minus 54 is 17. So then we would go over here. This arc is going to be 17 numbers this way. So you could add just 17 to this right there to get the answer. Or what you would do is it's going to be arc plus arc divided by 2. That's the formula, okay? Equals the angle. And then we're going to substitute, we're looking for this arc. So it's 71 plus UV divided by 2 equals 50, that should be 54, my bad, 54 equals 71. Again, because this arc plus that arc, that plus that divided by 2 is 71, and you would just work that out. First step is going to be multiplied by 2, then you get 54 plus UV equals 144, like that. Okay. Next, J and K is 60. This is 68 degrees. LK is right there. Okay, so what you first need to know is that this angle plus this angle is 180. All right. So 180 minus 68 is 112. You got to be able to recognize that. So 112. And now this is a central angle. Okay, so central angles, remember, ABC is going to be congruent to AC. So when the angle's in the vertex is in the center, the arc that creates is going to be congruent. So then the answer to this one, you're just going to look right here, is going to be right there. Okay.